9245 Pine Knob Road in Clarkston, Michigan. This house sits on a beautiful piece of property, just under 8 acres on Whipple Lake. The path through the woods leads down to lake access from a private dock. The backyard features gorgeous landscaping, a huge deck for entertaining, and a walkout from the basement. This home features all new windows, an open floor plan with a gas fireplace. The kitchen has an ergonomic design and new appliances. There is a huge Four Seasons room on the back of the house, with all new windows letting in lots of light. This is great for entertaining. The view overlooks the backyard and the deck. Pride of ownership really shows in this beautiful home. All 3 bedrooms are located on the main floor. This house has been fully remodeled, and the master suite features a private bath with new tile. The fully finished basement features an open floor plan with a game room, a wet bar, a gas fireplace, a walkout to the backyard, as well as a powder room.